Welcome back guys to another interesting video. In this video, I will provide you Red Magic 9 Pro Turbo, which helps you to get maximum performance and stable FPS in any game or low-end devices. So let's get started. Guys, first download the Red Magic Turbo from description. After downloading it, install it. After the installation, open the app. You will see a lot of options to optimize your device and get stable FPS in any low-end device. Guys, follow me as I am doing and get the maximum FPS. Guys, if this game turbo works for you, so don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit like. Thanks for watching.